Alright, so good day everyone. So today I'm going to cover exercise 1.4 and 1.5, which is set theory on the tutorial. Now disclaimer, and I think everyone knows this, I am not a teacher. Okay, I'm a first year like everyone else doing these videos, so I may get things wrong. Okay, but I'll try not to. So yeah, that's just a disclaimer. So if you get something wrong, just correct me maybe in the comments. Alright, so the first question which we're going to do is 1.4, which is 1C. Now 1C, what does it say? Is the set 2 an element of 1 to 5? Now straight away I say it's false, right? Because the reason why it has that's 2 brackets. Now in that, it's basically saying a set 2 is an element of 1 to 5. If it was like this, is 1 element of 1 to 5, I'll say it's true because 1 is in this, right? What it means is 1 an element in the set over here, which is true. There's one right here, there's one right here. But if you're going to look over here, right, and see that bracket 2 bracket doesn't match this 2. If it'll be true if this had a bracket here and that had a bracket like that. So because the set 2 is not an, and so we'll say it's false. So 1C will be false. Alright. The next question is 1D. 1D is the set 2 a subset. This means a subset, right? A subset of the set 1 to 5. That's 100% true, right? Because if you think about it, subset, the set of 2 is going to be in there, okay? So D will be true. Another way of thinking about it is basically a subset mean does that set have a number that is also in that set? So if we say the set of 2 is a subset of 1 to 5, the element 2 has to be in that, so therefore it is true. The next question is 2. Now 2 is 2. Okay, so I'm going to be straight up, I don't know what to do. Like actually I'm assuming this means like what shape fits into another, that fits into another, that fits into another. To be honest, I do not know, right? I've tried working with it and it's not making sense, okay? But it makes sense on ChatGPT because it's saying if this is the answer, the square is a subset of the rectangle, is a subset of the parallelogram, is a subset of a trapezium, is a subset of a quadrilateral. How they got their answer, I don't know. Okay, so I'll be straight. I do not know 2. 2 is a little bit, not a little bit, very confusing and doesn't make sense in terms of how you use it in real life. But that's not the question yet. Now I'm just doing these questions. Okay. Okay, for the next one, that's 3B. Okay, 3B. 3B, prove that is equals to that. It gave you a solution over here. But what I mean, there is different ways of proving it. If I had to prove it, I'll say left hand side is equals to, right? Then I will just write down this equation over here and then I'll solve it to a point where I get to x squared plus 5x plus 7. Then I'll say, okay, therefore left hand side equals right hand side. Then you proved it. So you know how you did identities in trigonometry and school? Same. Or you can do this, it's same thing. Just put either one, just equate it. So yeah, just solve this equation and it'll basically get to this point here where you can prove it, right? Okay, so that's done. Okay, now this is where it gets a bit confusing, so I'll do this part on the next part video. Okay.